Are you tired of hunting for the color option in Google Calendar? Learn to change an event color in under 30 seconds. I'll walk you through the exact steps. Open the event, edit it, pick a color, and save. Let's start.
Start by clicking on the event you want to change. Then click the pencil icon to edit the event. Scroll down to find the Color drop-down menu and click it. Now pick your desired color from the palette. Finally, click Save to apply the change. If you have any feedback or if any info is inaccurate, please leave a comment below. We'll do our best to answer or redo the video if needed. Thanks for watching.